Morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this new session that we will continue more about the matter and the properties of the matter. We have studied through all the weeks what's matter and what are the properties of the matter, and now let's know more about the matter. First, you have to know that there's a difference between the physical and chemical change, and you studied this before. And this week we will know more about what's inside this matter. Is it pure substance? What's pure? What is pure substance? Which means that this substance is made up of the same items. There is no different items that's found inside this substance. It's totally pure. Okay? So pure substance and mixture. What's mixture? Mixture means that this item or this matter is made up of different particles. Different particles are not a pure one. Okay? So, first know that the matter is made up of a small building units that's called atom. So, the matter is made up of atoms. So, the atom is the smallest unit of an element. So again, to make the matter, we have small tiny particles that's called atom. These small tiny particles are binded together to make the element. So when we have atom and this atom makes element, the element is made up of some atoms that are the same kind, the same type. Like if we have oxygen atom, one single oxygen atom, the oxygen atom with another one and another one and another one, 10 oxygen atoms will make oxygen element. Okay? Or when one oxygen atom binds to one oxygen atom, so we have O2, two atoms of oxygen. This is oxygen molecule. So this is oxygen element. So elements is made up of only one kind of atom. There is no carbon that's mixed on this oxygen. There is no nitrogen that's mixed to this oxygen. We only have the oxygen in this atom and element. So we have another two definitions. Compound and mixture. What's compound and what's mixture? Compound is made up of different kinds of atoms that are chemically combined, which means that we will not only have the oxygen alone, we will have oxygen that's binded to carbon and another oxygen, so it will make carbon dioxide. So when we have one carbon and two oxygen, this is two different atoms from each other, and they are chemically bound to each other. The carbon binds chemically to the oxygen and to another oxygen, so the one carbon will be binded to two oxygen molecules. This is carbon dioxide. That is example of the compound. This is an example of the compound. What's mixture? The mixture is also matter that's composed of different elements, but they are not chemically bonded to each other. So let's imagine that we have two plates. One plate that's made up of only banana pieces. It's only pure banana. We don't have any other different material. And the another plate is made up of mixture. It's banana and strawberry and apples and many fruits that are combined together, but not, this is a not chemical combination. This is a physical combination, which means we can mix them together without changing each of their property. We are just mixing them physically, not a chemically. There is no chemical reaction that happened between the banana and the strawberry in this fruit salad. Okay, so the difference between the compound and the mixture is that the compound, there is a chemical combination between different atoms, and the mixture, there is no chemical combination between the different atoms that make this mixture. Okay, so these are some important vocabs that you have to know first before learning what's pure and what is mixture. Okay, so the pure substance is a substance which have a definite physical and chemical property. The pure substance are made up of just one type of particle. It's only made up of one thing, of one matter. Okay. The elements and the compounds are pure substances. Okay, the elements and the compounds are pure substances, which means this compound means that we have oxygen to oxygen to oxygen to oxygen. We don't have anything that's different, okay, inside, if it's pure compound. So the compound may be pure or maybe a mix of something that's are chemically combined to each other. Okay. Okay. How can elements can be classified? We can classify the elements into metals and non-metals and metalloids. Okay, this is we will talk about it next time in the periodic table. We will talk it more in details. Okay, so just you have to know this definitions in this lesson. And thank you so much for watching and see you next time.